Hi, my name is Caroline Moore and I'm one of British Eventing's youth performance coaches. And today we're here to do some different exercises, and this one in particular is absolutely brilliant to teach the horse and rider to keep a rhythm and balance around quite a tight turn into a line, which is exceptionally important. I've put a skinny in the middle of two fences, so it's a combination with a narrow brush in the centre. This really coaches the rider to stay straight around the turn and then stay straight through the line. And if I'd got a little bit more room, I'd also have a narrow fence coming out as well to teach the rider to stay straight coming out. It's a really good fun exercise, and although I'm going to show you the finished result, we do tend to build up very, very slowly, so we get the horse really used to going through the flags first, which I will show you in a different exercise. I use my favourite bounce of Cavaletti's here as a springboard, and also sets up the turn and sets up the quality of the canter. So this is the first part of this exercise. So here I've got a vertical, and it's set up at 95 centimetres. I've got a ground rail, but again I've used the pole raisers security for the ground rail, because if the horse stops I don't want him to slip on a pole. So for the second element of this combination, I'm using one of Jump for Joy's skinny brushes, which this one is the 90 centimetre wide. You can get an actual narrower one at 70 centimetres, but these are what I use very, very commonly for all of our horses, from the younger green horses to start training them, even up to the advanced horses and the ones that are working at top level. Again, I've used a ground rail and pole raisers just to keep it very, very secure. So if a horse hits it, it doesn't move and the horse won't have any injuries. So they're really good little piece of equipment. And coming out, we've got an ascending spread, which is inviting for the horse and encourage the horse to go forward to the back rail and keeps a good shape. I will encourage the riders to stay straight on the landing.
So as always, the turn itself sets up the line. So I use the Cavaletti bounce for energy and power, and encourage the rider to ride forward to the first element. So then this creates a straight line and stops the horse drifting to the left or to the outside through the line. As you can see in the centre across this fence, the horse stays very straight and then comes out in the middle of the last element, teaching the rider to turn the body and the eye to the new direction to create the last turn. And as you see from behind, how straight this encourages horse and rider to be, which is essential for all disciplines.